Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta red sauce. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need a large 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, 3 cloves of garlic, and about 1/2 of a medium onion. Also, have 2 tablespoons of good quality olive oil on hand. This easy method ensures a delicious sauce with minimal fuss, perfect for any weeknight meal. We'll start by building a flavorful base. Now let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Add your minced garlic and onion to the hot oil. Sauté these aromatics for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until they become soft and wonderfully fragrant. This step is crucial for building a deep, rich flavor foundation for your sauce. Don't let them brown too much. Once your aromatics are ready, carefully pour in the entire 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. Stir everything together well. Now, it's time to season. Add 1 teaspoon of dried oregano and about 1/2 teaspoon of salt, or to your taste. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it cook for at least 20 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. After simmering, remove the sauce from the heat. Stir in about 1/4 cup of freshly chopped basil for a burst of fresh flavor. Taste and adjust the seasonings as needed. A small pinch of sugar can balance the acidity if your tomatoes are very tart. Serve your delicious red sauce over your favorite pasta. And hey, for easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for those leak-proof containers, plus other great deals. Enjoy your homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.